Yo, look, I know you just clicked on this video, and I'm sure you just came here to get some kind of trading knowledge, some kind of trading wisdom. You're probably like, I hope just this guy can say something that I'll understand, um, because I'm struggling in my trading journey. Listen, we are going to keep things very, very simple, y'all. All right. Look, I just need y'all to stay with me. All right. Listen, we're going to go over 3 steps. Just three. Three concepts that can literally turn your small account into like a crazy large account, y'all, as far as just growing with profits, y'all. All right. But y'all have to stay with me. I'm going to read y'all something before we get started. All right. So look, I want to read this to you. In Proverbs 1 and 5, it said, let the wise hear and increase in learning, and the one who understands obtain guidance. All right? Listen, I'm sure you as a person, you are wise. Okay? You have gained so much knowledge. Maybe you are a beginner trading, but there have been some steps that you have learned. You are not the same trader you used to be. So I don't care if that's just you learned what a trend line was. I don't care if that's just you learning how to buy and sell a stock or whatever the case may be. You are better than you once were. All right. So listen, let the wise hear and increase in learning. All right. So I want you guys to really be intentional about your learning today. All right, I'm about to pull up the trading screen. I want to show you guys what we did in our signal room and how we did what we did. So this video, I'm going to give you 3 steps, just 3 steps on how you guys can read the markets at a very high level and begin to change how you trade. Okay, so let's get into it. First off, I'm going to show you the trade that we did, and I'm going to show you the proof behind it. So guys, I have a signal room. So I'm going to pull up the signal room, and if you are a person that's interested in the signal room, you know what I'm saying, you are welcome to join. I would love to have you. We are absolutely killing it. And so I want to just show y'all what we did, how we did it, and help you become that trader that you have been desiring to be. All right, let's do it. All right, y'all. So this is the signal room. Okay, so we're going to go over June 27th, which was last week, and we're going to go over that particular trade. But y'all, this whole week, what I think it was June 24th through the 28th, y'all, we did not lose a single trade, y'all. So we just absolutely just killing it this whole week. All right, but I want us to focus on this particular day, okay, which is June 27th. All right, so I want you guys to remember this. Our entry price was at 5,470.58 cents. I'm going to break down all you have to do to have major gains like this. This is a 600% gain in one trade. That is a 6-to-1 RR. All right, 600% gain, y'all. So if for my beginner traders, if you don't know what that is, that is saying that if you was risking $100 on this trade, you had the potential to make $600. If you was risking $1,000 on this trade, you had the potential to close with $6,000 for the day. All right. So let's get over, and so we can start analyzing this market. All right. All right, y'all. So I'm sure, like right now, for some people this looks absolutely crazy. For others, you kind of see what's going on. I want us to really focus, y'all. So right now we're about to lock in on this trade. Okay, so listen. First step. All right, first step. I want y'all. Matter of fact, write this stuff down, y'all. Keep this as a little note. I don't care if you're on your phone, you're watching this. Keep this as a note. First up is look at the structure of the market. Structure of the market is step one. What is the market doing at the moment? Okay. Now, I want to make this clear. I trade the 15-minute time frame. I start trading at 7 a.m. Each morning. Okay. The reason I trade at those times because a lot of support and resistances are respected before New York session times open, so I can get good, clean entries at this time. Okay. So number one. what is market saying that, what is market saying, y'all? Simple as that. What is market saying? Right now, what our natural eye seeing, the structure of this market is going in a downtrend. Altogether, that's what we see. Boom. How do we know that market is in a downtrend? It's because here we have higher lows. Boom. So we have a touch here, going to touch here, we have a touch here. So what price is doing is this. Boom. Touching, touching, touching. As it touches, it's going in a downward angle. All right. Now, the bottom here, what are we seeing? Boom. Touch here, touch here, touch here, right? So price is saying, and these down here are literally that is your support level. This up here, resistance. This down here, support. All right, y'all. So just imagine whenever you're looking at this, your goal is to see the top and the bottom of each channel. So overall, that's why I'm sitting here telling you, structure of the market is going down. So I hope y'all can, like, since I created these frames, y'all can kind of see the framework of the trade. All right. And that's how we trade. We trade the frames of trade, of the market, of the charts. That's how we trade. All right. So this is why trading has been so simple for us. Boom, boom, boom. This is your support, resistance. Price is saying it's going down. That's the structure of the market. So y'all see that. All right. Step 2, look for the initial channel. All right. Now, I want y'all to see something. You know what? Before we even get to that, I want y'all to see something else. Price is in a downturn, but as you see here, a reverse is looking like it's starting to happen. How do we know a reverse is looking like it's starting to happen, Kirby? It's because we are starting to have some higher lows. We have a touch down here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So price is starting to say, look, we are in a downtrend overall, but price may be starting to come up and push up to the upside. And we might start to break this downwards channel. Okay. So I want you guys to see. So now, as you can see, price downturn. But watch how your eyes begin to shift as soon as I delete these two support and resistances. Boom. I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna delete this one. Boom. Now, where you was just seeing price in a downturn, now you're starting to see price begin to reverse. Now I can create this. Wow. Now, what you were just seeing was the overall structure of the market. But the current market is saying that we might be looking for a downturn. Now, if price was to come down here, this is what we consider a gold zone, y'all. Whenever we have some strong support level here, 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 that means that this area is a gold zone. Right, so what I'm gonna come over here and do, and I'm going to get my, what I like to call my golden tool, y'all. Call this my golden tool. Look, boom. This area here is having a lot of momentum. This area here is saying, listen, an action is going to take place once we touch this level here. Whether price wants to come here and bounce, or price want to come here and push through and break out. This will be a breakout trade, and we catch these as well. But because price is in this reverse area here, we are going to start looking for some buys, y'all. What I mean by that is we're going to start looking for price to go long. All right. So I want you guys to understand, looking at the structure of the market and the current market. Okay. If you go here and you zoom out really far, you're going to see that price is in an overall uptrend. But if we, as a day trader, your job is just to see what market is doing currently. We don't care about just our overall picture. We just care about our picture of what the market is saying it wants to do at this current time. Okay, we're just taking advantage of movements that market is doing in just one day. All right. So we see that price wants to start going on the reverse side. Cool. This is a gold zone. This is a major gold zone here. Okay. But when I got up at 7 a.m., this is what I seen, y'all. This is the initial channel. So we got the structure of the market down pat. So I hope you guys are, coming to grips with understanding the structure of the market as a whole. Which way is market saying it wants to go? All right. Now, your goal is to look at a channel within the structure of the market. Okay. So structure of the market, it could be going down, or if this continues to push up, we could be reversing on the upside, right? So now this is where we get our second confirmation on where we need to enter in our price at. All right. So again, I want to repeat this. Structure of the market. Now look for a channel within the structure of the market. That's number 2. Look for a channel within the structure of the market. All right. So boom. We have a channel here that we have that nice strong resistance, and we have a nice strong support level. Look at this. Very clean. So do y'all see this? Very clean setup. We have a bounce. We have a bounce. Now we're creating this structure. Now, I want to share with you guys how I knew that price really wanted to push up to the upside. Okay? It's this right here. So as y'all know, we can see prices want to reverse on the upside, but this gave me that major confirmation that price wants to reverse on the upside. Okay? I want to delete this. This right here. This is called a double bottom, guys. So once I seen that price was pushing up to the upside, it was starting to reverse. And then I seen a double bottom. So I'm going to get my gold zone out again so y'all can see it clearly. Boom. We got a touch here. Price came here, touched here, and shot back up. All right. I want you guys to imagine the gold zone, or I'm not going to say the gold zone, the double bottom as your feet. And you plant your feet to take off to jump. All right. That's number 1. Double bottoms, look for those as a foundation for your feet, and you're going to jump up. All right. If you ever see a double top, the double top literally looks just like this double bottom, but it's in reverse. All right. So imagine that you got your hands to the ceiling and you're trying to push down. So that means that when you see a double top, price most of the times wants to push down to the opposite direction. Okay. So what we're seeing here is a double price want to reverse, a double bottom, boom. Now we're looking for this channel. This channel is going to create our entry point. All right. So because we got to touch here, we got to touch here, we got to touch here. Price is respecting this. All right. We got to touch here, touch here, touch here. Price is respecting this. So guess what, y'all? We're going to look for an entry in our new gold zone area. This is a gold zone area for us. If price touches here, gold zone, or maybe price wants to come up here, gold zone. 2 gold zone for beautiful entries, okay? So what we're looking for, but because we know that price altogether is starting to go on this upside, we're going to look for this gold zone to get hit. All right, so we're going to delete this one. So boom, we're looking for this gold zone to get hit. So again, what was our entry? It was at 5,470. All right, so we entered this trade at 7:13. So boom, it's 7 o'clock. Boom, we got in on this second candle right here. Okay, this was our entry, y'all. Right here, we got a perfect entry. All right. Let me change this. SPX 500. Whenever I'm trading SPX 500 for us in the signal room, it's always going to be at 50 pips. So that means that if we're going long for a trade, that means that you're just going to subtract 5 from your entry price. If we're shorting the market, that means we will be adding 5 to the entry price. All right. So here, y'all, all we are doing is chilling at this point. First, so we got the first two things. Number one, what is the structure of the market doing? Whether it's going up, whether it's going down, whether it's just consolidating just to the side. What is the structure of the market saying at this current time? All right. Now we're going to look for a channel within the structure of the market. All right. So that means we're going to get a little bit more in detailed with the structure of the market for our next move. All right. Third thing, which the first two does not matter if you do not apply this third thing, and that is execution. You have to execute at a high level when doing this, okay? Because whenever price comes and touches your gold zone, price wants to make a move. Whether it's going to the upside or the downside, price is saying, look, action and some sort of action is about to take place in this gold zone, all right? So therefore, we got in immediately, y'all. We did not hesitate. We did not wait. We was not worried and nervous. We got in immediately. Once it touched our gold zone, we seen our gold zone clearly of where we wanted price to go. As soon as it hit our gold zone, we got in for the trade. All right? Now, you may be thinking, Kirby, what if price would have shot through? Well, if price would have shot through and broke out, guess what we could have did, y'all? We could have just flipped our entry, and we would have started shorting the market. Boom. And we would have catched the short to the downside. Very, very simple. All right. I just want you guys to fix your eyes, because right now, some of you are trading and you're looking at all this mess and you're like, oh my gosh, like as soon as the price goes up, it comes back down, goes up. That's why you have to fix your eyes to begin to look at the frame of the market. Don't focus so much everything that's going on in the inside. Find frames. So this is a framework. Channel. This is frames, channel. Like, these are all strong support resistances. Don't worry about what's going on inside of the channel, as long as you see the pattern that the channel is saying do. If the channel is going up to the upside, you know that it wants to bounce either off the support or the resistance. Your job is to make a play at that support and resistance, all right? So, boom. We're in this trade. We executed this trade. That's number 3, execution. Number 3, execution. All right? Boom. We're in this market. Price bouncing around a little bit. Boom. That's that push up we needed. And boom. That's that 1-to-1. Price is pushing up. And listen, here's what's so amazing about this trade, because we can play great defense. That was great offense, right? But we can also play great defense. So if you wanted to, because we know this is a gold zone and this price here is being respected very heavy, we can start sliding our stop loss up. Now, we're confident that the trade wants to continue to push up. And if it comes back this way, we have there's more likely that the price wants to continue to go to the downside, okay? So that means that we can begin to protect our trades. Now we're cutting our losses. Like, how beautiful is that? You can take advantage of having major profits, but at the same time, you can cut your losses. That's what's going to take you from where your account as a small account and take it to the next level, simply because you're taking big wins and you're cutting your losses. That's why this strategy is just mind-blowing, y'all, simply because we can play great defense by trading the channels and play, great offense at the same time. So I just thought I would tell you guys, like, that's why this strategy has been very good for us, y'all. All right, so, but currently we're not going to protect this trade right now. I just want you guys to see the setup and see why this trade was such a big win. All right, so right here we are almost at a 2-to-1. Boom, and that's it right there. Price begins to completely take off, y'all. So therefore, and that's all she wrote, y'all. Price came back and played around here for a little bit and then took back off, y'all, because we were in this upwards trend. All right. So listen, that is it. I want you guys to remember, structure of the market, find the channel within the structure, and execute. These are your 3 steps if you want to grow your small account to a large account, is by taking these simple steps, y'all. Or you guys can join the Signal Room and you can get some help from me. And you'll literally have my trading calls, my live trading calls, and you guys can take advantage of that. And see, the beauty about that is you can trade in your own still. So don't think that if you join the Signal Room, you're taking away, from your trading. You're not. You're just adding another trade. Look at every trade as your own business. That's why I have 3 separate Signal Rooms, because they're 3 separate businesses for me. And it should be like that for you. So just imagine you have your own trading that you do, but yet you have another side trading where you don't even have to think about, because somebody else is making the signals and making the calls for you. You see what I'm saying? So I've joined many Signal Rooms over the past years, guys, and that is what I found. So look, you can take advantage of this, y'all. We have a 60% discount sale going on right now for the bundle pack. So basically, y'all going to be getting basically 2 Signal Rooms for free, right? You're going to pay for 1 Signal Room, and then I think you're going to pay maybe like $50, $60 for the other one. And so you're basically getting 2 for free. So you don't want to miss that, y'all. So look, I'll catch y'all on the next video. God bless. Subscribe, like. Again, be intentional about your learning. All right? Be very intentional about that. If you have a strategy and you keep losing, that doesn't necessarily mean that the strategy is bad. Maybe you're just not applying the right rules, applying the right discipline that's needed for your strategy. None of these strategies work unless you apply rules and discipline. All right? God bless y'all. I'll see y'all next video. Bye.